Okay, what's up, my boo? My name is Jeannette, also known as Ms.FitVegan. As you can see, okay, I finally got that Nama J2. One of my fruity cuties in my private community sent it to me, and I want to say thank you so much. It's funny because actually somebody from my private community paid for someone to win it in a raw food challenge I did last year, and I want to say thank you to that person as well again. That was so incredible. But I finally got one myself, and I love it. And there is something that I didn't know. Like, I did not understand how to put it together for the longest time. I was Googling and I was watching videos, and I'll show you that in a minute. But I just made two juices. The first juice I made was celery juice. I really missed my green juice. I had the Nama J1, but it broke multiple times, and broke for the last time about 2 weeks ago. So now I finally have a juicer, and I just made another juice, which is phenomenal. So let me actually grab a bottle to pour it in. You have to make this juice, okay? So usually, to be honest, when I juice, and I love juice, okay? I don't recommend or condone juice fasts, but I love juice. And Jay Cordich, the juice man, is one of my mentors. He got me into this lifestyle when I was 14. I didn't go raw till 26, but I started juicing at 14, and I have these really cool bottles. And he helped me understand that it's best to eat like a fruitarian and juice like a vegetarian. Okay, so what does that mean? Sorry, I'm looking for a strainer. Do I have a strainer? Okay, well, we're going to try our best. Oh, just made a mess. Ay. I'm not doing this video over. You know me. But listen, you really want to focus on eating fruit and juicing vegetables. Juicing things like beets and carrots and greens, kale, chard, parsley, cilantro, celery, things like that. And you really want to eat your fruit because honestly, there's something called pectin in fruit, and it really helps us to digest our food. And so we need that pectin and that fiber. All right, now this juice that I made, even though it's fruit, it's a nice treat. There's nothing wrong with juicing fruit, but you also want to juice vegetables, and you kind of want to have more vegetable juice than fruit juice. This is watermelon strawberry. Ooh, it's so good. You don't even know. So I actually made that for Awa's mom. And then I'm going to make another one. This came out really good. But I kind of want to experiment, and I want to add some mint. Let me know below if you've ever added mint to your juice and if you think I should add it. Okay? Because I'm thinking it might taste really good, but I have to be careful. Not too much, okay? So I don't want to mess up the juices, but I'm going to put a little bit of mint and a little more of the watermelon in here. Okay, and I did not juice the rind of the watermelon. Do you guys do that? I know Jay Cordich, he always said to do that, but I never listen to him. Like when it comes to the rind of the watermelon, I know it's supposed to be good for us, but I don't buy organic watermelons. So, like, to me, I don't know. Anyway, this juicer's phenomenal. I haven't cleaned it yet. This is the first time I'm using it. But I'm excited, and no, I'm not sponsored at all, obviously. Somebody gave this to me, and I really appreciate it. And now we're going to try the watermelon strawberry mint juice. All right, so let me, like how I cut the watermelon like a cake. Cool, right? Let me try this. Hold on. Yeah, it's such a beautiful juicer. All right, let's see. Ooh, that's good. Watermelon, strawberry, mint. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's yummy. Okay, so I'm going to give that to Awa. And her mom, maybe, I don't know which one to give to who, but I'll let them pick. Okay, so got these cool lids from Amazon. And that is the video for today. Again, try to focus on drinking green juices. Those are really, really healing, really important. Fruit juices are more so about energy, and of course they make your skin glow, and they're delicious, obviously. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to save up, and I'm going to get the citrus attachment for this juicer. Then I can juice citrus, and that's pretty cool. Okay, something I have not cleaned it yet, but something I learned, really, really important, is that you have to put the juicer together before it goes on the white part. Okay, so I did not know that. So put it together, then put it on the white part. And that will, because it was literally like 10 minutes and I could not figure out how to use it. All right, well, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I think I'll juice the rest of this watermelon actually. And I just want to let you know that if you are considering, if you are considering being a healthy, look at this cool top. You put a lot in there. If you're considering like being a healthy human, making the switch to a raw vegan diet, I would love for you to consider joining my next course. So my food addiction freedom course ended last night, and I'm really going to miss the women in that course. I really get attached to these beautiful beings. And I have a brand new course starting July 1st, Monday, July 1st. And if you are interested in learning from me how to be a healthy, happy human, how to lose weight naturally, how to heal naturally. I have women who have healed so many different ailments, okay? And if you'd like, I'll leave the information below. We start in 2 weeks. And I don't recommend juice fasts. However, I do recommend juice, every day or every other day or every 3 days if you can do it. And specifically, I recommend you do juice before you do supplementation, okay? Juice is the strongest, most healthy form of supplements you can get on planet Earth, okay? So don't you dare go to Amazon and order something that's been sitting on a shelf, okay? Don't you dare be a dumbass and order some fucking B12 from a goddamn bottle from a motherfucking, warehouse that's been sitting there for 3 years, when you can juice and it's alive and it's going to be fresh and it's going to provide you with all the real live nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs, okay? Please don't play yourself. Look at how beautiful. Putting the mint in there. Something I also like to do is beets, but I don't have them. Beets, watermelon. Okay, let me close this, then you turn it on. Look at how simple. Easy, right? So yeah, if you'd like to learn lots and lots of tips and tricks on how to be a raw vegan, I'm going to teach you every single thing I know. Everything I've learned in the last 13 years. I've made a lot of mistakes, and that's why I'm doing this course, to hopefully prevent you from making the same mistakes that I've made. And if you'd like my guidance for the next 6 weeks, we're going to work out together as well, 4 times a week. All right, 3 days HIIT and 1 day yoga. You're going to meet with me live on Zoom twice a week. You're going to get a free membership to my private community, and you are going to get all my books. I'm going to send a bunch of things to your house. My brand new Raw Vegan Excuses book, which should be available by Saturday, I think, on Amazon. I'll let you guys know, of course. And I'm going to send Raw Vegan Excuses 1 and 2 to your house, as well as my Master Manifestor Journal. You're going to get every book I ever wrote, all my other courses, lots and lots of bonuses. We're going to meditate together, visualization, EFT tapping together. And I'm going to help you to reprogram your mind for success, change your body, change your life, and become healthier and happier every single day. If you feel like you can't do it alone, guess what? I can't do it alone either. I had a mentor as well. And so if you'd like me to mentor you, send me an email. I'll leave it below. And I'll see you soon. Bye, boo. Oh, and thank you, everyone. Every single person, every woman that joined my last course. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. You really inspire me. And I always learn a lot. And so, yeah, love you guys. Okay, bye.